Hi students, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss operating system Semaphore most important practice MCQ. So students, if you all are preparing for any competitive examination as well as if you all are preparing for your semester or final examination, then this question and this video is very important for you. So here we have the question. The counting semaphore was initialized to 7. Remember one point in counting semaphore, we have to find sometimes the value of signal, we have to find sometimes the value of weight, or sometimes they asked us to find the final value of the semaphore. To find all these things we have only one formula. Okay, so in this question they had given the initial value as 7. Okay, then 20p weight operations are there. So weight operation is 20p. Then we have signal operation. We have signal operation, that is xv. And also if the final value of semaphore is 5, then the value of x will be what? So they had also given the final value as 5. And we have to find what? We have to find here the value of x, that is the value of signal. So to find the value of signal, you have to remember one formula, that is final value equals to initial value plus value of weight plus value of signal. Okay, we have to add all these values. But before moving to that particular calculation, remember one point: whenever we talk about the weight operation, okay, whenever we talk about weight operation, that is p operation, that means we have to use minus operator, decrement operator we have to use here. Okay, and when we talk about signal operation, remember to use plus operation here. Okay, so this is the keyword. If you remember this, it will be easier for you to solve such type of questions. Okay, so final value is 5 equals to initial value is 7 plus value of weight is 20, but we have to use minus symbol with this, so you can write it as minus 20 plus signal ki value is x, so write it as like this. Okay, so next step is 7 minus 20 plus x. So we have to find the value of x. So we will write it as x equals to 5 minus 7 plus 20. So when we calculate this, so the answer will be x equals to 18. So correct answer will be option number 3. Okay, this is very important and basic question. So many times in all competitive exams like net, set, your kvs examination, this question they always ask. Okay, okay, if let's take an example, if any other question, if they ask you to find the value of this final value of semaphore, then you have to use the same formula. Okay, for semaphore basic introduction, its operations like signal and weight operation, its types like counting and binary semaphore, all these types we have already discussed in lecture number 20. अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक वो lecture नहीं देखा है, तो you can directly check the description box. I have already added the link there. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video and good luck.